From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Joining me now is Ginger with Net Health, and she's here to tell us about some of the new food laws. How are we feeling today?
Oh, we are feeling absolutely great. We are.
Yes, ma'am. So what are some of the new changes related to the cottage food law that were updated in the Texas Senate Bill 541?
So some of the significant changes with the cottage food production law are that they have added a new category to allow for wholesaling of some non-perishable goods. And with that comes a new requirement for registration with the state, which is different than what the cottage food vendors or producers have been accustomed to. And another very significant thing that has occurred with the cottage food production law is that there is some allowance for temperature sensitive foods to be offered. And so that's very significant.
Yes, ma'am. And so what are some of the new changes related to the food truck and other mobile food operators that were updated in Texas House Bill number 2844?
This is also very, very significant bill for us this legislative cycle. What this will do is it's a step toward statewide reciprocity in terms of health permits. And so it should allow mobile food industry to drive around the state and conduct business a little bit more simplistically. With that, though, has some growing pains associated with it. So that rule will go into effect July 1 of 2026, and that will move all health permits to the responsibility of the Texas Department of State Health Services away from local health departments. So that is a very big change.
Yes, ma'am. And so what are some of the new changes related to retail food businesses that were updated within Texas Senate Bill 1008?
So this one affects all retail food establishments. Some of the significant things that this has done is to try to bring about some standardization across the state amongst all the different local health departments in terms of types of permits that are offered by local health departments and caps of the permit fees that are offered by local health departments. And so food establishments will see some changes. There will be some permits dropped. There will be some fee adjustments that go into effect. And this is all effective September 1st. So we are in that right now.
Yes, ma'am. How can people contact and learn more about this legislative stuff?
Yeah, so one of the other pieces to Senate Bill 1008 was that there is a requirement for local jurisdictions to have an opt-in option to get more information. And so we have launched that on our webpage. People can opt in to get notified when we have things come down the line. On our webpage, we have added the legal updates section to kind of keep people updated on those changes. We additionally have a food safety roundtable meeting quarterly that you can look at our event calendar at the Net Health webpage to try to attend those virtual quarterly meetings as well.
Yes, ma'am. Well, Ms. Ginger, thank you so much for coming in.
Absolutely. Glad to be here. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. For more information, go to the website right there on your screen.